What's up, gals and pals? It's your boy Vino, and welcome back to 60-second cocktails. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm dreaming of a black Christmas. That's right, folks. Today we're making a cocktail called the Black Christmas. So make sure you stick around, because we're gonna boogie down. All right, folks, like I said, we are making a cocktail called the Black Christmas. The Black Christmas is basically just a riff of the Black Manhattan, which is a riff of the Manhattan. So the pedigree is good, and this cocktail is gonna be delicious. All right, folks? Now, let's look at what is in the sauce. The first thing you're gonna need is 2 ounces of rye, okay? I like to use Rittenhouse. It's 100 proof. It's got a nice little extra punch, a little extra spice, but you can use any rye you like. You can even use bourbon if you want. You want to use scotch? Go ahead, it's your cocktail. You know what I'm saying? But this is my suggestion for the optimal version of this cocktail, all right, guys? So now, then we're gonna do 1 ounce of Averna, all right? Now, if you wanna use something like Montenegro or Ramazotti, something like that, you go ahead and do so. Experiment with your cocktails, have a little bit of fun. It's your glass. Everybody else can kiss your ass. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. Then we're gonna do a bar spoon of allspice Dram. This is where we're gonna get our little holiday flavors from, because allspice is cinnamon, nutmeg, clove, you name it, all right? So we're gonna do a bar spoon or a teaspoon. If you don't have access to something like this, then I'm gonna put a link down below to a recipe that my buddy Rob from Rob's Home Bar makes. He makes his own stuff. He makes everything himself. So go ahead and check that out, all right, guys? So let's go ahead and do a bar spoon, all right? And then last but not least, we're gonna do 3 dashes of black walnut bitters, which is gonna add kind of like a maple leaf flavor to it. I love this stuff, right? 1, 2, 3, all right, there you go, all right? Now let's go ahead and add some ice to our, whoops. Oh, let's get our glass now, how about that? Oh, forgot about that. Let's add some ice to our stirring or mixing glass. All right, and we're gonna stir that for about a good 20-30 seconds, all right? All right, folks, so I think we gave this bad boy a good enough of a stir, and let's go ahead and pour it into our coupe, all right? Beautiful, there you go. Right to the tippy top, gorgeous. Let's put this right over here, and then we're just gonna garnish that with a nice cocktail cherry. If you wanna be festive, you can do something like some cranberries or something like that, but I don't think it's necessary. Now, when I throw my little cocktail cherries in, I do like to grab a little bit of the juice there. That's just my preference. And there we have it, folks. Our Black Christmas, I'm sorry, our Black Christmas, period. I was gonna say Black Christmas Manhattan. Our Black Christmas. All right, so let's give this bad boy a sippy sip. Hopefully it hasn't been too bad, because you know Santa's watching, right? Ah, that's delicious. I mean, if you love a Manhattan, or if you love a Black Manhattan, you're gonna love this cocktail. Your spice is ever so gently on the back end of the palate. It's not overwhelming at all. It just adds just enough flavor. You know, you can even up it, to be honest with you, and I think you might get a little more of those cinnamon and clove notes that you expect from allspice. All right, let's give it another sip. Yeah, that's fantastic, guys. All right, so listen, folks, if you like this video, please press like, please subscribe, and please share with your family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring, and when life gives you lemons, make yourself a cocktail. Cheers.